Yellow. It's one of the brightest and loudest colors in the spectrum. Yellow is a high-energy, optimistic color that grabs attention instantly. But in business presentations, it works best as a highlighter rather than a background flood. Imagine your slide deck as a movie poster, and yellow is the spotlight. Used well, it pulls eyes exactly where you want them. Used poorly, it blinds your audience and fries their focus. Psychologically, yellow is linked to happiness, optimism, and mental clarity. It stimulates the logical, analytical side of the brain and helps people focus and process information. But there's a catch. Too much yellow, intensely, can increase agitation and irritability, especially under bright lighting or in large blocks on screen. Yellow is perfect for highlighting key numbers, key words, or short phrases, drawing attention to calls to action, next steps, or deadlines, or emphasizing good news moments, wins, or breakthroughs. In other words, yellow should rarely be the stage. It should be the spotlight. A full yellow background can cause visual fatigue and make text harder to read. Large yellow blocks behind long paragraphs also trigger scanning rather than deep reading, and your audience tunes out faster. On slides, large flat yellow backgrounds plus slight text or graphics are a recipe for squinting and fast drop-off. Use yellow as an accent color, buttons, icons, underlines, and data highlights, not as your main background. Pair yellow with dark neutrals, such as charcoal, navy, or deep gray, for high contrast and sophistication. And reserve your brightest yellows for the most important 5 to 10% of on-screen content so the audience knows, pay attention here. The next time you build a slide deck, ask yourself, where do I want their eyes to go first? Use yellow as a psychological highlighter, precise, intentional, and impossible to ignore. Want more presentation tips? Contact me at kevinlerner.com.